Australia, Sunday, January 19, 2025.
That is a lot more than...
Tropical Cyclone Sean, causing strong winds, and heavy rain, causing flooding, and inconvenience in some areas of Karratha, Western Australia, on Sunday, January 19, 2025. Tropical Cyclone Sean, currently a Category 3 system, is off the coast of Western Australia, with wind gusts reaching up to 140 km per hour, and rainfall reaching 270 mm, which broke Karratha's almost 20-year record for single-day rainfall. The storm has cut off the city of Karratha, and flooding has closed the Northwest Coast Highway. Homes have been flooded and damaged. Hundreds of people have been affected by power outages due to the severe weather. Several ports and parks along the Pilbara coast have been closed for the weekend.
Woohoo!